hope she doesn't fall and hit her head again. Pound it. Knock, knock. Sophie, say hi. Say hi. She was like, where are you going?
Sophie. Let's go and knock your stuff.
Sophie. Nope, stay out of there. Stay out of there. Can't go in there. Oh, don't fall over. Yes. Nope. Don't open things.
Grandma's birthmark has really long hairs on it.
Come here, son.
Why didn't your mom invite nobody to go eat?
I don't know.
Hey, you're a mean lady.
Yeah.
She put her in her mouth.
Miranda, put her down.
That was cover up.
Really? Dad, old
She
fat
wants down.
guy. I ought to kick him for that.
Come here, Sophie. You want to put shoes on?
No.
Can you sit there?
No.
I'll help you.
This chair is weird.
You want socks on?
I feel like I'm...
Yeah.
Morgan. Ah, what are those? Morgan. What are those? Are you friends with Aaron Moore?
No,
Why not?
because I don't have friends.
Yeah.
They all went to college
Yeah.
on you, didn't they?
They
Kim,
all,
Melissa,
they all went to college.
Kim did,
Yes.
Brett.
Sam, quit talking so loud.
What?
Brett go to college? Did Brett go to college? No.
Jen said I dressed her like a